Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your Skyworth TV and your phone or PC must share the same Wi-Fi network, so discovery works. Open the TV menu and enable screen mirroring. This allows incoming connections. On your phone or laptop, enable the cast or screen mirror feature and grant any discovery permissions. Once done, keep the TV's screen mirroring page visible so it's discoverable. Make sure battery saver, or VPNs, aren't blocking local network access. Now initiate the connection. On Android, use Smart View or Cast, on iPhone use AirPlay, and on Windows use the Cast device menu. Look for your Skyworth model name, select it and wait. The TV will usually prompt you to accept the incoming screen share. Confirm the request so the session starts. If you want sound, make sure the TV is selected as the audio output. Once connected, you can mirror apps, photos, or the entire screen. Adjust orientation and volume as needed. To finish, stop casting from your phone or computer, or use the TV's screen mirroring menu to end the session. This closes the link cleanly. If the TV doesn't appear, reboot the TV and router, then retry. Sometimes devices end up on different subnets or Wi-Fi bands. If problems persist, update the Skyworth system firmware and your device OS. Compatibility fixes often arrive in updates. One troubleshooting tip: disable VPNs and close background apps that hog the network before attempting to reconnect.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.